Cheers, everybody. Welcome back to the homestead. Happy Earth Day. We got some mugwort in the greenhouse, clematis, mullein, kiwi, goji berry, bunch of different tomatoes. Then we have these green beans with the potatoes. We have our strawberry rhubarb. We have our garlic. We have cabbage. Some green beans growing along the side. We have our onions, green beans going along the side of the collards, sweet mint, also basil, sage, rosemary, lavender, and lemon balm from the old property, as well as the strawberries. Peach tree, millions of peaches, peaches for me. Yeah, look out. All right. Big old tree of life, river birch. Looks like we might finally get some rain. All right, our pecan trees were saplings from the old property. Brought them here when this was my parents' property. Got my decoys dropped back. Whoop, whoop. Finally got the shed movers to bring it. We got our blueberries from the whole property. Some of them took good, some of them are slow. We have our chickens in their coop, all perched up for the night. Mimosa tree, oh yeah, it's big, but it's coming down. Another pecan, look at nasty clouds. Hibiscus, some sort of lily, canna lilies there. We got some lemon balm, we got river birches that need to come up, clematis, more lemon balm, spreads everywhere. Other little pretty flowers and stuff and things. Oh yeah, the trees are swaying. Big old magnolia tree. Oh yeah. Our cedars all the way in a row. But y'all have a great day. Happy Earth Day. I hope everyone's enjoyed their day. Be blessed. Remember to smile. And in the world you can be anything. Remember y'all. Be kind. We're out here at the Carolina Kind Family Homestead. And we're gone.